Hi, in this video I'm going to take you through the graphical control interface that you open by clicking on the Control tab. In this area you have a snapshot zone that will give you a snapshot of what your cameras are capturing. By default it will be set to video mute for privacy reasons. We will get back to this a little bit later in the video. These three buttons here will allow you to launch your video conferencing software: Skype, Polycam Presence Desktop, Skype for Business. If you use a different software, then you can simply launch it the usual way you do. This button here will allow you to open your annotation tools, and this one to start recording sessions, be it locally or over video. This button here is your video mute button that is reflected in the snapshot area. If you click on this button, you would start sharing your desktop, as you see in the snapshot. So if you are in a video call, this is what your far end would see. These three buttons here are the video display controls that will depend on what you select in this area. So this is a graphical representation of your PTE Quattro because I'm now using a PTE Quattro. If I were using a PTE Trio, you would have seen a trio representation. So now my cameras are deactivated. So if I click on 1, which is my camera 1, located on screen 1, which is the screen that has the USB ports and the HDMI inputs and outputs, I would activate it. So now my camera 1 is activated. If I choose two cameras, so camera 1 and camera 2, then as you can see here, I will have one choice of camera displays to share with the far end. If I choose three cameras, I would have two possibilities of video displays. And if I choose all my cameras, I will have three possibilities of video displays. And if I choose the display of my choice, this is what you would see. It's just a snapshot, it's not in real time. It will give you an idea of what you are sending to your far end. And you can change it with a click. These three buttons here will allow you to control the audio. So this is to increase the volume, decrease the volume, and mute. With this button, you have access to the system information. And this one here, sharing HDMI inputs, will allow you to share content from an Android device or from a laptop. If the graphical control interface is hiding some content on your desktop, you can simply select it and move it to another place. When you want to close it, it will go back to the closed position. When you open it again, it will open in the default location.